Customizing your buy buttons.
On the product details page, scroll to the Buy Buttons section and click Customize Appearance. Here, you can adjust the overall style, choose your button size, customize the button text, and apply your brand colors. You can also select a font family and text size. Choosing Inherit allows the buy button to automatically match the fonts used on your website. Customize the text color, button color, background colors, and frame to match your brand. As you make changes, the live preview updates automatically so you can see exactly how your buy button will look. When you're happy with the design, click Save Changes.